Watch, yeah, it's FragWatch here. Here we go now with the VXE Mad R Wow. We're gonna open it up and do that. That's what's up. I hope it's good. I already opened this. It's cut. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, FragWatch here. Opening up the VXE Mad R. Did I open this? I feel like I've opened this. I get a used one? What the hell's going on? No, I haven't opened this. What is this used? This is like destroyed on top. What is this shit? It's like sparkly shit all over top of my thing. There's like glitter. I don't want to put it on my mouse pad. Okay. Fucking weird. No skates. Okay. All right. No skates, just on there. This feels like an X2. Foam on the box. What's in this? You can watch me put fucking skates on another mouse. Does they have a ring skate in there? They do. You guys get to see me fail at that. Oh, that is a stiff cord. No, it's okay. Not my favorite. Not my cord. Alright. Warranty. Skates grips. Scan code to view. It's like a weird suede. The fuck is this? I want corner skates. There's no ring skate. Sensor skate. No sensor skate. That can't be right. There's no way. Tisk, tisk. They got like 75 fucking grips, but no. Ah, there it is. Okay. We're good. We're good. It's got a hair on it. Look at that. It's like. Yikes. Okay. You gotta. Jesus. What is it, man? What is this? Factory workers can't. He forgot to put it in, rushed, and his hair fell out while he was putting it in the packaging. I don't know. Let's see me fail at this. Okay. Sticking to my finger too much. Nailed it. I got it. Man. All right, corners or fulls? Let's do fulls. These are some really soft PTFE skates, by the way. Like, these are going to last like 50 hours maybe with heavy use. Like, these are not, like, look at it. It's fucking dented already. I love soft skates. Love them. They're the best. But man, do they look at that. It's just like, there you go. You can see it there. It's like, yeah, yikes. Okay. That's fine. I got skates I got to test, so fine for me, but something you home users should know about this one. Right? All right. All right. Not too bad. Okay. That is the unboxing of the VXE Mad R. Let's rebox this. Let's farm some view time here. I need it. I need 1,000 more hours in the next 4 months to get fully monetized. I'd like that. So if you're here, stick around. You can walk away. Just leave it on so I get the extra view time while I repack this. It's the unpacking and repacking of the VXE Mad R series mouse. I wish it had some color to it. Anyways, here's the, oh God, it's that glitter on it. Put on top there. Okay, that's it. FragWatch out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.